Alright, this is the new toy. Kubota B2301. It's about all I could afford. Can't even afford that, never mind. So this is going to be the new, we're going to be doing some work in the yard, and that's pretty cool. It's got the 3-point hitch, the PTO. Four-wheel drive. It's got all the goodies. Removable bucket arm, loader arm. Going to be getting a box scraper for the back, just for some weight and scrape up the driveway and whatnot. It's going to get the right now it's only got the pin system, but we're going to get the quick attach for the bucket. The only difference between this and the B2601 is the 3 more horsepower for the 2601. Everything else is exactly the same. So a little bit cheaper for this one. He's amongst all our friends right now, but should be coming home soon. Gonna do the grill guard, get some mesh for that. A couple other little things, but that is the new toy.